Decide name of conference and branding things, that is more important. So conference is one of things that people attract the name, but still you have to tagline what is all about conference. For digitalization 2020 for youth is a conference name. Theme of conference: revolution, transformations, attractive words, some emotional words lead to the something name. Whether two words or three or just a one phrase can connect and engage with some message to the audience. It's directly to the advertise your posters, videos and things there. Whatever you like to share your tagline and name, you have to research and something that what the people like in today's digital world and how you can communicate through your tagline, because something is better than that. You have to clarify with number of tools, and there are number of things you can Google with how you can search right name with the right audience and the right platforms, and number of things you have to set up the all conferences things there. But name, poster, advertising is very important. So conference in the virtual world, you have to decide, is there digitalization, is either you have for youth, for according to youth conferences, you have to schedule for things there, and the number of things afterwards the people come to you, what's in the name. So name will be more attractive and benefit for that. Let's move to do and explain what theme of the conference will be there. Thank you.